This turned into quite the ordeal. This is the third time I try to record this. The calcium oxide one hopefully worked well. Let's go ahead and look at the second question. The second one you have to find the name for is BASO4. Alright, so let's just ask away, just here at the top. Does the compound contain more than one element? Well, it has BA. Let's cross this out. I don't know why, but I cannot erase these original red marks I wrote. Alright, we have BASO4, so it does. So yes, let's move down. Does the compound have metallic and non-metallic atoms? Alright, this time we have barium, sulfur, and oxygen. Barium's a metal, sulfur and oxygen are nonmetals. So we do have both. So once again we head down. Alright, are there more than two types of atoms? Alright, last time we had Ca and O. That meant we had calcium and oxygen. But this time we have barium, sulfate, and oxygen. So yes, this time there are more than two atoms. So we'll head that way. Is the first atom, so is barium, a member of family 1 or 2, aluminum, zinc, silver, or cadmium? The answer is yes. Barium is in family 2. So we are now in this box. Alright, it says name the first atom as an element. So let's go ahead and do that. First atom is an element, so we have barium. This is way crazy. Alright, then identify the polyatomic group from the chart and write its name second. So we need to find the name of SO4. You can use your periodic or your naming schemata. Just fold it over and you'll see. I can't do that very easily on the computer the way I've set this up. But if you find SO4, it's in the -2 column and we call it sulfate. So BaSO4 is called barium sulfate. Okay, we simply followed the rules and we got there. One that would be like that would be right there, right there, right there. Number 10, I didn't notice before, but number 10 was just like number 1. Alright, so let's look at the next one. The next one we have is HClO4. That was a terrible line, but oh well. So let's go right here. Does the compound contain more than one type of atom? Yes, it does. Does the compound have metallic and non-metallic atoms? This time we have HClO. That's it. I know a lot of you think hydrogen is a metal because it is on the left side of the periodic table. But hydrogen is a non-metal. That little staircase that works its way from the bottom right up to the top left really would cross the periodic table and go under hydrogen and then up. So we would call that a non-metal. So this does not have any metals, so the answer is no. Does it start with NH4 first? That answer is no. Is the first atom hydrogen? The answer is yes. So we simply would find which acid it was. It was HClO4, so we have that right there. Perchloric acid. I don't know what's the kill on my computer. Usually this works fine. Perchloric acid. Alright, in the next video, we'll talk about how to do number 4. And number 9 will be just like